Next one, array in PHP. So what is array? Array concept is store more than one value of same data type in a single array variable. Okay. So store more than one value of same data type in a single array variable is called as array. Here we have three types of array. One is for indexed array, associative array, and then multi-dimensional array. First one we see here, indexed array. So an array is defined using the keyword array. Each element of line array is assigned indexed value, which starts from 0 and end with n minus 1. The user can access the array element using the array name followed by the index. So this is same, access name is same, array name. Okay. See here, $sign array variable equal to keyword array. Within the bracket you can pass the values. So this is 0th value, first value, and then second value. Now see example. Here we use teacher name equal to array. In this we pass the Inian, Kavin, Nilani. These three things are names, teacher's name. Now you print this name. Echo the student name, student names are dot, teacher name, first name Inian, comma, second name Kavin, and third name Nilani. So that is output. The student names are Inian, comma, Kavin and Nilani dot. So finally you put dot here, that is displayed here. Next, associative array. Associative arrays are key value pair data structure. Key value pair data structure. Instead of storing data in a linear array, with associative array you can store your data in a collection and assign it in unique value. So linear array la store பண்றதை விட associative array la store பண்ணலாம். இதில் வந்து unique value தான் நம்ம ஸ்டோர் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகேவா? With you may use the reference your data. ஸோ நம்ம என்ன டேட்டா சேவ் பண்ணுறோமோ அந்த டேட்டாவோட ரெஃபரன்ஸை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் இது யூஸ் ஆகும். ஸோ how you can declare the array? An array is defined within the open and closed parentheses. So associative array syntax. Array within the bracket you can give the key goes to value, comma, key goes to value, comma, key goes to value, etc. Like that you have to give. So key means specifies the key, that may be numeric or string. Like that value, it specifies the value. See here example, marks equal to array. Array is a keyword. Student 1, that goes to value is 35. Again key, student 2, value 17. Student 3, value 43. Now you print the statement. Student 1 mark is $sign. Here you use variable marks. Like that marks within a bracket, that key value, key student 1 dot is eligible for qualification. Okay, like that next statement is not eligible for qualification. See the output, student 1 mark is 35 is eligible for qualification. Student 2 marks is 17 is not eligible for qualification. Okay, like that it will print it. So next one, last, multi-dimensional array. A multi-dimensional array is an array containing one or more arrays. One or more arrays. That is multi-dimensional array that are 2, 3, 4, 5 or more level depth. So array more than 3 levels deep are ought to manage for most peoples. So 3 levels மேலே போனாலே நம்ம மேனேஜ் பண்ணுறது கஷ்டம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ அதனால தான் நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம், மல்டி டைமென்ஷனல் அரே யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். So example பாருங்க, student equal to array. So inside the array you can pass the student name, marks. So here echo $sign of student within bracket, this one is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. So 0th row, first value, second value, third value. Okay, see here, first one name Indian, and then this colon, Tamil mark, again here use colon, student of 0, 1. So 0, 1 value is 100, that also print here, and then they put dot, again English mark, colon, again student value, okay, 0, 2, that is 96. Okay, this is first line. So same way second line and third line also print here. Okay, thank you students.